Emirates Airlines, number one, the best. So perfect. And for confirmation, Etihad at number one, Emirates number two, Qatar Airways number three,
Welcome to
Qatar
London. The
Airways.
local time here is 6:14 p.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as this is about the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways on the One World line. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today. Qatar Airways going places together. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure that the system luggage is present, we ask that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. Thank you.
So what I think I heard the captain say is true. It is raining, front talk to tie. Typical UK English weather. I'm certainly back in my home country. Yep. Nothing surprises me there, babies. I'm sad because I miss my wife and I never wanted to leave her and I never wanted to leave Thailand. But I'm happy to be in my home country to see my family. I just say hi to my sister Deborah. I say my sister Rosa, she's been watching me landing. She's a native standard, obviously. Weird, isn't it? She's obviously been tracking me. And my sister Deborah Schroeder Rahul. She knows she landed. So I think I'm going to end this video because you can't really see nothing. It's just typical UK weather, my home country weather. Rain, front up, Thailand, good. So, you can't really see nothing, can you? There was an empty band today, and out here, airport, I don't know where it's called. That's one. Oh, right, okay. Right, I'm going to end the video now, so I'll see you all later. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit the bell notification icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Okay? And thank you for watching. Take good care of yourselves at home. See you on the next one.